Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting through delays. Power cycle the Scarlet now because transient faults clear quickly. Once done, connect directly to a known good USB or Thunderbolt port. Avoid hubs which introduce variables. Check firmware and driver version, write them down because mismatches cause failures. Make sure you have admin access, otherwise you can't install drivers or update firmware. This fast prep prevents wasted steps later and gives you a clear baseline for the deeper fixes that follow. Next, focus on the core software layers, drivers and firmware. You should uninstall the current driver, reboot the computer, and install the latest compatible driver to avoid version conflicts. Then run the official firmware updater. Follow the tool's prompts patiently because interrupts can brick the device. Once updated, open System Audio Settings and explicitly set Scarlet as the input and output device so the OS routes sound correctly. If you use a DAW, also set its audio engine to the Scarlet driver. Finish by validating functionality. Run a simple playback and record test to confirm both directions work. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Scarlet to clear corrupted settings. This often resolves stubborn issues. Once reset, retest. If you still see failures, swap the cable and port and test on a second machine to isolate whether the unit or the host is at fault. Troubleshooting tip. If a reset fails, collect firmware and driver logs before contacting support, so you can explain what you tried.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.